probably not even a news childhood.
No, that's News 12. Wow, those are awesome.
I love shooting.
Those are pretty cool, right? They're like time released. Grand finale?
Never been there, so. Pretty big.
Those are cool.
Yeah, I think you're right. Maybe it is about 3 miles.
It's definitely about 3 or 4 miles away. Because the theater is all the way down by the entrance of Eisenhower Park. We're south of Hempstead Turnpike, like a mile south of Hempstead Turnpike, down Merrick Avenue. So, those are cool. What are Oh, a heart. How pretty.
You're kind of stupid standing by the camera.
I don't. When we see how awesome this video is, block this out.
That's good. Boy.
Well, look how pretty their hearts are.
Another one? In New York? Huh? In Brooklyn? I wanted to see the fireworks. There's a freaking tree in front of my house.
Wow, those are really pretty. Go TD Bank.
Right.
Oh, how pretty. Those are so cool, right? Wow. Remember back in the day when fireworks used to be legal? Or not so highly illegal.
I was going to say, I don't remember them ever being legal.
But back in the 80s when you could do them in front of your house, you just go down to Chinatown or Flushing, like the week before 4th of July. You know, you knew people, and you would set off. You'd spend like $1,000 in fireworks. You get like mats and stuff. My parents did that.
I was going to say, I did that when I was like 13,
Yeah,
14.
my dad used to do it every year. He used to know people at work, and he used to get mats and We used to get whistlers and rocket, whatever those things are. Bottle rockets.
Whistlers or
Bottle rockets, and the ones that went on the tree and spun like crazy and did like 30
the
different
jumping
things.
jacks.
I don't know if they were jumping
The
jacks.
big ones, like the blooming ones, or something.
Yeah, it did like 30 different things. It was like a wheel.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
You put it on a tree,
Yeah.
and it would spin.
And you got the sparkles on it and everything.
Yeah. You can't even buy sparklers nowadays. You have to order them from online. Come on, try some higher ones for the people in the back. Don't discriminate. So pretty. I can see why people get married on the 4th of July.
Mm-hmm.
It's like their own private fireworks show. Those are beautiful. Woo, to represent gay marriage being legal. A minute.
I switched arms. I'm not in your way, am I?
No, not at all. Beautiful. It's a long show. I'm surprised.
So far, 17 minutes. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. A little bit.
Just adjusting.
I'm gonna hold your arm.
No, it's good. Actually, I was just uncovering the speaker.
Chrissy and Damien's Firework Extravaganza 2011 with commentary.
I like those choice of colors. What do you think, Chrissy?
You know what? I think they're nice, Damien. I think that this year they really outdid themselves.
Yeah, I agree.
I think, though, with the budget concern, if it wasn't for TD Bank sponsoring this wonderful event,
Yes, we got to give great thanks to them.
Yes,
Very grateful.
yes, yes.
Absolutely.
I know people here are probably eager to switch banks at this point. You know, being that
Remember,
Jones Beach
if
canceled.
you have a savings and a checking account, you'll get savings of up to 0.5%.
That's right. I think that this is extremely a significant, event that happens on Long Island since they canceled the Jones Beach show 2 years in a row.
Switch. Actually, using my shoulder helps.
It's okay.